Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rasmin, and yes, I'm gonna share how you can make a secret wallet. Ever thought nobody would search money inside your book? Yes, they won't. Let us take an already read book, select a section at half of the end of the book. Now we'll take a glue and put it on two edges of the page, both top and bottom, leaving the other side. And stick the previous page to it, making it like a pocket. Here you go. You can be done here, or you can follow me next. I'm cutting a slit of paper to make a flap icon of an envelope and sticking it to the paper pocket. Here you go. We are done. Now let's hide our money inside the pouch. Make sure you don't fold your paper notes while putting it in the pouch. Now put the book on your shelf, and congratulations for successfully hiding our money from friends and siblings. Thank me later. And also please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Oops, this seems like an open invitation, like come check my book, what's inside. Okay, then please feel free to skip the second part, that is putting flaps. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Ta-da!